Are you there?
Yes.
Hey, how's it going?
How are we doing?
Hi.
Thanks for letting me join you guys.
For sure. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you guys in Arizona or something?
I am in South Carolina.
South Carolina. It was late for you then.
It is. It is. I just finished dinner, actually.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I just sent Octavius a message, so I don't know what happened to Jenny. Octavius hasn't said anything today, so.
I wonder if she had the baby.
She might have.
I don't know. I just thought about that.
That is a good point. Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, Octavius said he'll be on in a second. That's probably might be. And my sister had her baby, so I'm an uncle finally. Good news.
Awesome.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
He looks just like his
Uncle.
dad before the kid. Thank you.
I wonder if Veronica's gonna make it.
Let's see. Oh, okay. Octavius asked if you can send him the link again.
Yeah.
Sorry. I can't send emails on my computer. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I cannot send emails. I can only send them through my phone.
Okay.
I started the quiz, but I got lost.
Where did you get lost? The number one?
No, I got lost. It's close. Where was it? Number 6.
Number 6.
Yeah.
The lower bound and the upper.
It's finding the point estimate. I don't know exactly which numbers to use for that.
So the point estimate, isn't that what we got from P1 and P2? P1 minus P2?
So it'd be 0.743 minus 0.60.
0.7.
Unless those are wrong too. But
0.712. Is that
you got what?
minus 0.712?
Sweet.
So P1 0.7.
I have arrived. What time did y'all start?
We just barely started, Octavius. Welcome to
Just
the
barely
party.
started, yeah.
Nice.
And this is Mike, our
How you
new.
doing, Mike?
How's it going?
Going good. Let's see.
Okay. I guess we can get into it now since we're here. Latsman, who do you want to
Find
pray?
out where. Octavia, since you came last, can you pray for us?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Father in heaven, we bow our heads before thee at this time to give our thanks and gratitude for this day. We pray that may the Spirit be with us as well as with this study, that we can best put our efforts through this quiz. We pray that the Spirit may watch over us. We say his name, Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Any questions from the week, from the reading?
Hang on a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Saber, come here.
Mike, where are you from?
I'm in San Antonio, Texas.
Okay. Cool. Well, I served my mission in Houston.
Oh yeah,
hmm
not too terrible far up the road.
Yeah. Texas is a great place.
Yeah, I like it a lot. We've been down here about 12 years and came down here chasing a job, and it just kind of worked out for us. So.
That's pretty cool. That's exciting.
So, are you from South Carolina, or you just went back after your mission, or?
I'm from Idaho, just out here working. Yes, sir.
Recorded.
Sorry, but I do like Idaho better than Texas, sadly.
Oh man, I've not been to Idaho.
Can you? Does that go somewhere if you press mute?
That's a good
I'm
place.
finally going to go to.
Oh, yeah, right here. Here, look, see, it's like well, that's in the camera. I think that was not it. There's something else. What's that noise?
It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, doesn't it?
Yeah. Octavius, it sounds like Infinity War.
The film Gauntlet. Did you see it yet?
I did, finally.
Yes. What do you think about it?
I hate it.
Really? Because Thanos wins?
No, because the stinking ending. Like, what the heck?
Thanos wins.
It's a waste of 2 hours.
Yeah,
Now I have to watch a whole nother 2 hours, and then they're probably going to do it again. And
that was great. I'm glad he won. It was something different, man. Like you never really see the bad guy win.
that's true.
I haven't seen it yet. Be quiet. I haven't seen it yet.
True. Sorry, Latsumi. I want to
Okay,
watch
one
Incredibles
next.
too. That's what I want to watch.
I just saw that.
Mike, you were saying something about visiting. Were you going to say Utah or where?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Utah in July. I've been to southern Utah before, but never northern Utah. So we'll get up to northern Utah and may poke around Idaho a little bit while we're up there.
You should. People call southern Idaho northern Utah, but it's not true. They're two different things.
It's not the
Very,
same.
very different.
I never thought about that.
Yeah. I'm from southern Idaho, so I'm like 45 minutes from Utah. Maybe an hour, something like that.
Not too bad. I grew up in Kansas, and I like Texas better than Kansas by far.
That's good. There's not much in Kansas, is there?
No, there's not. There's a whole lot of flat. That's it.
Latsumi, you good yet?
Yeah, I'm good. Whenever you guys are ready.
Okay. Let's go to 3. I got 0.743.
Me too.
That's what you got, Octavius?
Yeah, I got the same thing.
And Latsumi?
0.743.
Sweet. Number 4.600.
0.6.
I got 712 on 4. Let me double check my numbers.
Yeah, I got 0.712.
Oh,
Number
wow. I don't even, 0.712. My bad. I totally wrote that down.
Okay. Oh, the
What number?
That's my bad. Oops. Thank you, guys.
Wait, we're on 4, right? We got 0.712.
Yes.
What is that noise?
Oh no.
I don't hear anything.
I I hear it too, though. Let me see something.
Is it me?
I think so.
Can you hear it still if I take out my headphones?
Yeah.
I don't know what it will be.
Maybe it's you.
I don't know. Do you want me to like shut off my computer, like my sound real quick?
Oh. I mean, I guess we could just get past the noise. It's not
Yeah.
like too bad.
We can still hear. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so number 5.
Did you get A for number 5?
I got A.
Yeah. I put A. It took me a while to decide between like A and D.
Same.
Yeah, they look similar, don't they?
Yeah, the D is P hat 1 is not equal to P hat 2.
Right. That's just the only difference.
If I look on the sheet, the type of test is not equal to P2. If I look on the null hypothesis, it says P1 equals P2. P hat in there, I guess.
Yeah, I think the p hat would be different than.
Yeah, that's an example, right?
So number 6.
This is the one that you're asking about, right, Brendan?
Yeah,
With
would
the
it
point estimate.
0.131?
Wouldn't it be 0.031?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to do that.
So how do you do it?
Yeah. Where
do you
did
need to know?
0.031?
Yeah, so it's like the answer of P1 and P2. You subtract those. You subtract 0.743 and 0.712 to get 0.031.
Okay, so it's the difference between those two.
Right. So it's the difference. So it's your P1 would be 0.743 minus the 0.712. Right? Is that correct?
That's what I did, yeah.
So you'd get 0.031 point estimate.
So what about the margin of error?
So I thought the margin of error, isn't that the upper bound minus the lower, which
Divided
makes
by
it 0.3308 divided by the 2. Is that correct? That's your margin of error, so that would be 0.154.
Wait, so it'd be upper bound minus lower bound, right?
Right. So your upper bound,
Is
and then
0.1.
your and then minus your lower bound
Divided by 2.
divided by the 2.
154.
So so you said the upper bound is 0.743?
No, the upper bound is 0.185.
No.
You get that from doing the Excel sheet thingy.
Yeah, it's on there. It'll show you the upper and the lower.
And so so we did need to put this in the Excel sheet. I knew it.
Well, you can still find it in the lesson. I taught you how to find the confidence intervals without using the Excel sheet.
Yeah.
But the Excel sheet is just easier.
Yeah, it's just basically half of the spread between the low and the high confidence interval. Yeah.
Contacts are dry. That's as far as I got, by the way. Did you get negative 1, 2, 3 for the lower bound, right?
More than
1.1.
I did, yeah.
And then 0.144 for the confidence interval. I mean, margin of error.
For what? For number 9?
Yes.
Number 9.
I couldn't hear that.
For what number?
For number 7.
7, so 0.154.
Mm-hmm.
And then 10. I got A.
I agree.
Oh wait, what you get for 8 and 7? Because I didn't put it in the Excel sheet. I mean 8 and 9. Sorry.
8 is negative 0.123. 9 is 0.185.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Are you good at
Yeah, I'm good.
And then for 10 was A, right?
That's what I got.
Yes. I put A.
And then number 11 is D.
Yep. I put D. There is insufficient evidence to suggest
I agree.
Octavius, are you with us or?
Yeah, I agree.
Sweet.
Number 12. You have the next question.
Seems like there are so many people that are part of this. Another percentage isn't too bad.
So remember.
Okay. And we'll say number 12 is true, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I put 12 for true. Hang on a second.
It always is.
Hey, Heather. Good, how are you? Okay. I'll ask him. Can I call you back? I'm just in the middle of my class. I'm at home. I'll call you as soon as I get off.
What did you,
Thank you. Okay.
what 13?
Bye.
P2.
No, it's not sampling. It's,
I got D for number 13.
you got D.
Yeah.
What number you see you got?
D.
D is
Yeah.
You got D as in dog? For
Yes.
13? Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Made it on a weekday.
Portion 1.
So Pat, did you get 0.141?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at you, Octavius.
I know, he's the front head of everybody.
Ooh.
Octavius, you're going to tutor me next semester. I got a feeling.
You know what?
You can take care of me. We're going to make sure.
Oh yeah, for sure, man.
You got to go to the Hickory, too.
Oh man, we got to go to Hickory. Must.
And you're going to pay for me because I don't have any money.
Yeah, I got you, man. I'm serious.
I'm just messing.
No, but I'm serious.
0.145 for number 15.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Z score. Give me 1 second so I can put all the info into
I got negative 2.02.
Yes, that's what I got.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Brandon.
Sorry, I'm putting it in. So I didn't put it in my thing.
Okay.
It's 17B. The right side.
Hold on.
No.
17 would be to the right. Should it not be to the right? Yeah.
Y'all got negative 2.20, right?
Yes.
Yes. 2.20.
2.020. Sorry. Would it be A for number 17?
But it was
I thought it was
B.
B, but I'm not sure. Why would it be A?
Because it's less than, so it'd be
Yeah, because it's negative.
Oh, it makes sense. Makes sense.
Okay.
number
Yeah,
P.
because it's negative and we're looking for a less than number, right?
I believe so. Oh man, I'm a little tired, guys.
Yeah, I am too.
With
Is it?
The p-value, I'll get 0.022.
Yeah.
And then
so it'd
reject.
mean reject.
Would it be D?
For number 19?
Because if you reject, you have sufficient evidence, but you have, right,
Well, I think you have to have
you have sufficient evidence of the alternative, right? So it'd be
Yeah. C. Yeah. Because that's the one that says it, the alternative hypothesis in English.
Yeah.
and for 19, then you get B.
What was that?
For 19, then you get B.
For 19, yeah, B.
You said B?
Yeah. B.
Sweet.
B is in Bailey, Bear, Boris, Borax.
Are we ready to submit the quiz?
Latsumi? Team Captain Latsumi? I think she's on the phone.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Do we book 20C? What would it be?
What was that?
Number 20.
I could not hear her.
Yeah, I can't either.
What was number 20?
We got C.
Okay, that's what I got. Yep, I'm ready.
All right. Ready, set, submit.
Survey says
Please say we got 100. I don't want to do it again.
100.
100. Yay!
Woo!
Right.
We are so glad that Mike is with us. He's the reason we get hundreds now.
Yes.
I'll take the credit if you're giving it out.
You deserve a raise, Mike. You deserve a raise.
Hey,
What?
Mike is a good name. That's the name I use for like Taco Bell, McDonald's, because it's an easy name to remember. As John Xavier.
Hi, I'm Mike.
Can you give me a name? Like Mike.
Right? The only problem is that if they say Mike, 3 people will go up there looking for your food.
That's true.
He's got a point.
That is true. So, Mike, our project, is that what you were going to ask about?
That is exactly what I was going to ask about next. What's the project and how can I help?
Oh, man, I love that's awesome. You are so grateful you're with us because that makes me really happy. We're doing testing on batteries to see if the battery life of certain batteries is different. So I'm doing Duracell. Octavius is doing Panasonic. Latsmi is doing Rayovac.
Rayovac or whatever that is, Rayovac.
And then Jenny, I think, is doing Energizer. I have no idea. I just put that into the design because she never responded to me. The flashlights that we're buying are the $1 flashlights. If there's another brand of battery, then you can join us and use that battery. I just don't know any other brands of battery. Okay. But we would need you to, like, within the designs. So what we do is we create a Google document and we stick it for all of us to correct and change and help. So we can add you, Jenny, whenever she is available, can add you to our WhatsApp. But for right now, does anybody? I don't know how to add people to WhatsApp. Octavius and Latsmi, do you know how to do that?
Let me see.
Do you, Mike? Do you have a WhatsApp, like the WhatsApp app on your phone?
I did have one for a while. I was using.
Because that's how we communicate. Cause, Veronica is in Africa, so we can't really.
Oh. Okay.
She's the group admin. I think she's the only one that can add somebody if she's the group admin. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that does. I just don't know how it works. So.
Oh yeah. Well, let me see.
Yeah. To change it, she has to add him.
Okay. Well, I don't think so.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I'll put if Mike can give me his info.
Okay, I'll put it back on my phone. Give me just a second.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. Did I explain it, or Latsmi Activity? Do you have anything else that you can explain about what we're doing?
So you're using? Is there a specific flashlight? I heard you say the $1 flashlight.
It's a $1 flashlight at Walmart. It's the little color. Like, like the little, oh my God, I don't know how to explain it.
It says 9 LED mini flashlight.
Yeah, okay. I have a picture of it.
Yeah, so on our WhatsApp app, Brandon sent a picture.
And we, to clarify, we doing AAAs, right? AAA batteries?
Yeah, so it would be, and the thing is, we can't do one AAA battery anymore because I didn't have the one AAA battery flashlights at the Walmart that I go to. So these will take 3. But it's the same report. We just have to use 3 AAA batteries instead of 1. Okay. And this is the ones they look like. If you can see that right there, it's like the little mini ones that are colorful. It's called LED. Yeah, mini flashlight. Okay. They're pretty common. If my Walmart carries them, then they're common.
Cause
yeah.
Is that okay with everyone? No, I didn't mean to take away from the one battery that we had a plan for. I just couldn't find a flashlight that had the one battery.
No, it's all right because I could try to get AAA batteries because I thought it was AA that we were using. And my dad went to the Walmart for me and he couldn't find flashlight itself. So I could try to still get it, but the question is, when do we test for the flashlight?
He sent a thing and said we didn't need a test for about the next 2 weeks. Okay. But I would, the sooner the better. If you can get the results, it's better to get it done already.
Yeah, I agree with you.
If we're going to try to run out an LED flashlight.
Yeah. Yeah. Especially since Duracell is supposed to last 101 minutes.
Is that it?
Okay, I've got it back on my phone. Let me type my number in real quick.
Okay.
Mike, what do you do for your job?
I'm a pipeline scheduler for an energy company.
Nice. What type of energy do you deal with?
I do crude oil and refined products like gasoline, jet fuel, diesel fuel, that sort of thing. Nice. A lot of crude oil. So that's my telephone number in the chat there.
Okay. I'll add you right now.
I really wish I knew how to use technology. It's one of my goals in life, but I haven't got to that point yet.
Do you guys want to know the top 10 batteries?
The what?
The top 10 batteries. There's Energizer, Duracell,
Maybe I did it wrong.
Power King, Voyager, Diehard, Everready, Trojan, Toshiba, Intercell. So there's a ton of batteries out there.
Oh, you know what? Lawson, you was right.
I told you.
I thought we could like. Oh
No,
no,
because she's the admin. She's the admin, so she
it makes sense.
I'll wait till she responds and then ask her to add Mike. Mike, I just sent you a message through WhatsApp. Did you get it?
I did too.
I did. I saw one that came in from Octavius and one that said, "This is Brandon."
Okay, perfect. So we can communicate either one of us until we can get you into that group chat. If you want, we could add another battery to the design experiment, and you could find another one. That's me. What is the next highest? What's the number 5 battery on the?
Energizer is number 1.
You keep fading out.
Can't hear you.
I said you kept fading out really bad. I can.
Sorry, I'm not on my phone. That's why I always use my phone. Panasonic is number 3.
So we have. Yeah. So we have Panasonic. Wait. Octavius is doing Panasonic, right?
Yeah, I'm doing Panasonic.
Okay. I have
so the next. So number 4 is Power King.
Power
King. I've never heard of that one.
I haven't either.
Or what about Everready?
I've heard that.
Everready.
Okay.
Okay, we try that one.
Let's try that one. Is that okay, Mike?
Yeah, I'll get Everready.
And then just a little flashlight costs about $1.
Right. Would you shoot me the picture of that one that you've got on your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. So I gotta have the right one.
Yes, sir.
Thank you too.
And then I'll send you a picture of my nephew so you can know how stinking cute he is. Honestly, so every person I talked to the day he was born, I told them I was an uncle that day, and I made a sale because I had a nephew that was just born. It was awesome. Made my day.
Okay. All right, I can find those, no problem. And we're just putting 3 batteries in it, starting a timer and running it till it runs out.
Yep, and we're gonna do it twice. So by the 8-pack,
okay,
I'm gonna do it both times, just to have more of like an average.
Right.
If we need to do it 3 times, we will. I don't know for sure how many times he wants us to do it to be sure.
Okay.
Do you agree with that last one, Octavius? Am I saying something wrong?
Oh, so this is where the camping gear is.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let my father know. Well, I can just go with him. But yeah, okay.
Mike, I sent you a text.
I got it. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Then we have to figure out where he's gonna do the presentation, where we had the design study and the data collection and all that other stuff. And somebody was doing I guess I'm doing the PowerPoint.
I totally lost that page. I'm gonna get back to it. How do we get onto that again?
It's in a Google Docs.
Yes.
Yeah, it's in Google Docs.
And we need to add Mike to that, but is Jenny the only one that can do that, or we can too?
He's in the Gmail. He's in the Gmail, so she can send it that way.
Yeah. So
he's in our Gmail.
How will we do that? Collect and describe the data. Is Veronica even on being part of the overseer?
See, I don't know.
Does Ever Ready have a hyphen in it? Is that what it's called? Ever Ready batteries?
Ever ready is like number, like, I think 7 or 8.
Ever Bright. Mine at the museum too.
It's all one. Oh, it's EVEREADY. So like
Yeah.
at the end of the,
Ever ready.
Ever Ready.
Is it ever ready? Okay. Yeah.
I just put it back in the design, so it should changed. I don't know where we're going to add them exactly yet. We'll have to talk with Jenny about that.
Yeah, because if I don't remember, I just know that I was doing the PowerPoint presentation.
Yeah, so I'm doing collect and describe data. Octavius is doing make it specific action. That's me doing PowerPoint. Then we have the evaluation, but everyone has to do that. And everyone has to do that. So we could just Mike could join us. I think that's me. You should get a little bit of help with the PowerPoint.
So the PowerPoint presentation has to include the design study, the data collection. We have to describe the data, descriptive statistics. You have to make inference or inferential statistics, and then take action, which is the conclusion. So I don't know what Veronica's doing. I don't know.
I have no idea either.
I have another question as well too. So like with my part, the making inference part, would it be like a sheet that we need to do this with? Like how
He'll probably give it to you. It'll probably be part of an assignment in the next couple weeks.
Okay. Oh yeah,
That's the one design the study.
Yeah, so Brandon, if you're doing the data collection, right?
Yes.
So the only thing I think we have is just to describe the data and then the conclusion.
Wouldn't the conclusion? That's what I would have to do, is describe data. I guess describe the data.
I think you're just doing the data collection. The data is, and then the describe the data. That's a different one. Describe the data. That's part of the. It says please share some of your descriptive statistics and include graphs.
Oh, I don't like making graphs. You can do that. Yeah. So mine is collect and describe the data. So I make the graphs and talk about the joys of flashlights.
So let me ask a question real quick. If we run each of these out 2 times, are we going to have enough data to meet the
So we asked Brother Bennett about that. Jenny said she's going to email him, but we haven't got back the information about that.
Okay.
But it should be enough to be normally distributed, I believe. Or just to count it as okay.
Yeah.
And the reason we originally had it where we're going to have 1 battery and enough tests that it would add up to about 32 was about how many tests total. But since each of us are only there's going to be 5 of us and we're going to do 2, it would just be the 10 different tries. That's what makes it kind of hard.
How are we gauging this? Are we just trying to figure out the hour? How long it lasts?
Within the hour, whatever it lasts.
And it'll be an ANOVA test, right?
Yes, sir. Right, that to me?
Yes. I know. It's just like, which one are we doing?
I had the same question about my number 3. When it was what is the experimental unit? What's the smallest entity from which you're collecting a single piece of data? I'm I don't know. flashlight or the batteries? What are you looking for?
So,
I think we're just
did I
looking
do
for the
number 8
battery.
and number 9 right?
Huh?
Wait, hold on. Did I do number 8 and number 7 right? I think. Oh, yeah, 7 and 8. Did I do those right?
I don't know. Did you?
I don't know. That's why
I think you did number 7 correct, or it looks right. Or it'll say at least one. If you do the alternative, you could change it to at least one of the batteries doesn't have the same mean battery life, because that's what the alternative normally is. At least one of them doesn't. Oh, hey, I can watch you correct it. That's exciting. You're doing well, Octavius. Man, you're killing it. A stratified sample. DOBSN.
I know my English. I'm in horrible English.
What kind of sample is it?
I thought it was like simple method stratified example, but I know it's not random sample. I know it's not random.
I guess stratified.
So it's right.
It could be a cluster sample.
I was thinking the same thing. We're doing batteries and we're doing a cluster of a certain type of battery.
Okay.
I don't know.
You don't know if it's cluster?
We'll just say cluster for now. And then we need you to change. We plan to obtain 2 different samples per brand of batteries. We'll be testing 5 different brands for a total size.
Oh, yeah. Jenny had this one. So you said we plan to what?
We plan to obtain 2 samples per brand of battery. We could even do 3, honestly. You just have to buy a whole other pack of AAAs, which I didn't want to do because that's inconvenient. But whatever you can for me, right?
How many testing with the 2 samples?
Would be 5 different. We'll be testing 5 different brands.
Oh yeah, it will be 5. Yeah, that's right.
And then there will be a sample size of 10. Shoot. We'll have to figure that out. We have to talk with him about that.
Like the total sample size will be.
The total samples number that we use would be 2 for each of the brands, so it'd be 10.
Okay.
That should be it.
All right.
No. Survey approval. All that. And then let's already put Mike's name in there. Hi, I'm Mike with Door to Door Millionaire. Where's that underscore?
Mike, do you want to do the conclusion? There's a part in here about the conclusion. It says take action conclusions.
Okay, I can do that.
It just wants you to write a brief summary of what we learned from the study and what we would do different.
Based on the results.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I can do that.
Will that work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Does it bother anyone else that these lines are not?
What are you working on?
I'm just looking at everybody's names and like the lines next to them aren't even really bothering.
Yeah, it's clear.
So one thing you could do, like you could delete the names and like
Put it on top of that.
put the name, like underline the name. know if that makes sense, but how mounds, if you look at mounds, it's like underlined.
Is there anything else that we need to go over this evening?
Not anything I could think of.
Having a wonderful time, really enjoying myself. I am a titch tired.
And the best part is we don't need an IRB approval.
Oh, that is so nice.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's kind of hard to do a human study too while we're all away from each other.
Right.
Because my roommate that I have right now, he's the same management. He had the same class like last semester or something, and we did like the amount of PCs and math at the library.
Mm-hmm.
Like trying to think of an experiment. I was like, if we can't use other people, then that would be very hard. All right. Is that everything, or do we have other questions, concerns, comments?
Everything.
Mike, are you on with us?
Yeah, I'm with y'all.
Okay.
It's going to work. I appreciate you guys letting me jump into your group.
No problem.
Yeah, Latsumi is the most Christ-like person you're gonna find. So
Yes.
Don't lie to him.
hey, I don't want to get. I'm not allowed to lie. Octavius agreed with it too, and it happened 2 or 3 witnesses.
The testimony of 2 or 3 witnesses. The truth shall be.
You guys are too funny.
Truth shall set you free, Latsumi. Be free.
The truth shall set you free.
Amen. Preach it, Octavius. Awesome.
Okay, so I will see you guys then on Wednesday.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good night, y'all.
You too.
Good night.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.